Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see precisely how to set up Zelle with your First Financial Bank account. And well, this entire process is actually quite simple and straightforward. We're going to begin by logging into the official First Financial Bank mobile application. Once you have successfully logged in, you will immediately proceed to the Payments and Transfers section, okay? Usually in that section, you'll always find the Zelle button, which typically looks like this, something like this. And once you tap there, you will then be able to successfully set up your new account, okay? First and foremost, you will be promptly asked to choose to carefully review and then accept the comprehensive terms and conditions, and after thoughtfully accepting these important terms and conditions, you will be taken directly to the next step, which is to securely enter either a valid phone number or a primary email address, so that, well, this essential step will immediately allow you to begin sending money right away without any further delay. It's very simple, and well, I hope this video is helpful to you. If this helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.